They usually call me the bald Ruben. I bring that in my pocket every time on my break. I spray my hair and then I just massage it. Even I'm at work at that time. That hair tonics really proves this is real. Feel free. You can come and touch and hair tonic. Perfect. That's best. I'm Ruben Fernando, Star Master from Canada. This is my journey. I'm Ruben Fernando, Star Master, all the way from Toronto, Canada. Actually, I'm from the Philippines, from the land of Zamboanga City. Actually, I migrated here in Canada as an accountant after a few years working here, and finally, I switched into medical field and working as a nursing, practicing for 27 years. But this time, I'm a full-time Atomian, center manager, as well one of the Star Master. Okay, so how people describe Ruben? Before, they usually called me the bald Ruben. Okay, but now I know most of them call me the happy and jolly Ruben. When I found out a couple of weeks ago that I have a coming new grandson on May, and that's from my youngest son, and so happy and excited. When they hear that I'm a grandpa, everyone, even from the store, I go out in a restaurant, and when my grandkids will say, "Grandpa, are you paying the bills?" So that's what it is. I'm a grandpa. What can you do? Oh, if I remembered, I really cried, really hard and tough. That was like 13 years ago. That was real cry, here and here. That was the time I lost my job, I lost my business, and I lost my house. And I said to myself, I will never cry again as much as that was 13 years ago. Four years ago, when I met Atomy, I said to myself, is it another MLM again? And then when I heard it, I said, oh, it's something too good to be true. And talking about product, talking about the marketing plan. But you know what? Thank God I did it. It's all because of the absolute quality product and the affordable price. I love the products. If not because of the product, I won't be here in front of you today. Okay, I'm a master of this certain product that I love so much. As I said, like 4 years ago, I was balding, and I was bald, I said, and I was wearing a system. And then one of my upper sponsor, I really literally asked her, is there any scalp care or hair grower that I can use from Atomy? And she told me, oh yes, Ruben, we have. So actually I said, okay, so let me try. And that's the reason why I had this product, which is the shampoo and then the hair treatment and hair tonic. But hair tonic, that's exactly I've been using it twice a day. Sometimes I bring that in my pocket every time on my break. I spray my hair and then I just massage it. Even I'm at work at that time because I just quit my job like after building Atomy 2 years. But day by day, I was still carrying that hair tonic. That hair tonics really proves. So if you really want to see that this is real, feel free. You can come and touch and get close to me. That this is really real hair. So all my friends know about my hair system before. So that's why like hair tonic, perfect. That's best. If I go back again 4 years ago, talking and thinking about my organization, it was hard in the sense because in Atomy, we are building an organization. It's not you are there to manage them, like completely like managing them as you are the manager or the boss of your organization. This is like a teamwork. When I started like 4 years ago, the hardest part I experienced is I tried to control and put the own person under all umbrella. Like I want to take care of everybody, which is I can't do that. In Atomy, it's a teamwork. When I registered, I have to put it binarily, equally, left and right. At the time, I did like octopus. I tried to put everybody. So I wasn't able to take care of everyone. And all of a sudden, after a few months, 3 months, nobody's doing it because I literally tried to do it on my own. And I branched it out. So on my first couple of months or year after a year, I was the one trying to branch out and build an octopus and so long, so big. And I found out eventually when I started watching Mr. Hunkel Park, he said, okay, build just 2 legs. Just build a binary. When you say binary, it's 2, not 4, not 5, not 6, 7. So when I start understanding the bull concept, that's where I start building it nicely and was able to help my entire organization. And good, we have all the system, we have all the videos, and I'm so honored to have amazing system of Atomy. And that what makes me now today.
Okay, class.
Curiosity, I asked my upper sponsor. Every time we have Success Academy at the time, they were all calling all the VIP Club of Canada. I said, what is that VIP? Before it was VIP, it's not Global Auto Sales Master Club. So at the time, so I was excited and I did it. And then after 6 months, I said, oh, I made it. So then all of a sudden, I get that motivation, excited because I found out for us here in Atomy, if we are building this business, we really need to get into that first club. And that's the only way we understand what's residual income or passive income if we will be in that first club. Why? Because that's where the money starts. So if we will not get into the first club, it's impossible for us, ladies and gentlemen, as an Atomian to understand. So I am very, very positive at the time, and I applied it, I worked for it, and then I understand, oh, this is residual income, oh, this is passive income. So I get involved and be part, and now I'm in the Global Auto Sales Master Club. So thank you. My life goal, because of the 3 generation in Atomy, I want that financial and time freedom to experience till the 3 generation of my children and grandchildren. Here in Atomy, for 4 years now, doing Atomy with all my heart, I gave up a lot of things in my life. I even gave up things that my children wasn't happy about because they were expecting me like in few years I'm already retiring. Why not finish my traditional career or job in a nursing field and retire and build Atomy? By giving up a lot of things in my life and having my biggest why and intention in life, why I did Atomy and becoming full-time Atomians, why a lot of stuff I let go, why I need to be at my center 7 days a week, no day off. With all these big whys that I have, I know Atomy 101% can take me to the real definition in life, balanced life. That's exactly what I can see in my life. And that's the very reason why I gave up a lot of things. And why that biggest intention that I have in me that drives me all the way through until this far, even the last 2 years, this crazy pandemic that turns out all the opportunity, all the jobs, everything they loses and bound to zero things the world expecting it, and here comes, it's on my palm, this opportunity. What are you gonna do? I'm so blessed and thankful because I can see that there is a great opportunity awaits for me, which is the balanced life and imperial master.